In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a tag on Discord. Whether you're new to Discord or just looking to update your username, this guide will walk you through the steps you need to make these changes swiftly and efficiently. Sit back, relax, and follow along to ensure a smooth and stress-free experience. Let's start by opening Discord on your device. Once you've done that, navigate to the user settings. You can find the user settings by looking for the gear icon, which is usually located at the bottom left of your screen near your username. Clicking on this icon will open up a range of options that let you customize and configure your Discord profile. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar and find the section labeled My Account. Here, you'll see your username displayed prominently. Next to your username, there's an option labeled Edit. Clicking on this will allow you to alter your username. Here's where things get interesting. If you're a subscriber to Discord Nitro, you have the added ability to change your Discord tag along with your username. When you change your username with Nitro, your Discord tag, which consists of the 4 numbers following your name, can also change. But if you're not using Discord Nitro, changing your username won't affect your tag. It will remain the same. This is a key distinction to keep in mind as you go through the process. Once you've settled on a new username you're happy with, the next step involves confirming the change. To do this, you'll need to enter your current password. This step is crucial as it acts as a security measure, ensuring that only authorized changes are made to your account. After entering your password, there's one more button to press. Find the Save button, click it, and voila! Your username update is complete. And there you have it. A simple yet comprehensive guide to changing your Discord username and tag. Remember, keeping your passwords secure and regularly updating them can help maintain the security of your online accounts. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any more questions or topics you'd like to see covered, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy chatting, and see you in the next video.